Everybody with me? So, again, if you did not capture that real mean, it doesn't mean you did something wrong. That's the whole part of statistics. That's the whole part of that shirt. Because there is a 10% chance that anybody's interval will not end up catching the mean. So let's see how many women didn't catch their mean. The women's mean was 79.47. So let's see, anybody not catch that? That caught it. 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 Anybody not catch 79? What is it? 47? 47. 79.47. All right. So all the. Oh wait. 79.4. Okay. So 0% of the women. It doesn't mean a damn thing, by the way. Okay. So don't feel bad, dudes. It's just kind of built in. Now, how many men didn't catch theirs? It was 81.2 that I saw so far. 81.22. So this one didn't catch it. Again, you guys understand that doesn't mean you made a mistake? It's built in that there's a chance it's not going to catch the real mean. In fact, in real life, we don't know what the hell the real mean is. We have no idea. And that's the whole idea of science. You don't trust it until somebody else reproduces the results. If I make one confidence interval, I'm not going to really trust it until somebody else, somewhere else on their own entirely, gets the same results I did. 81.22, there was somebody else here. Maybe your eyes went straight to the higher grades, I don't know. 81.22, 81.22, it looks like everybody else caught it. So 2 out of 10, so 20% of the dudes didn't catch it. And 0% of the women didn't catch it. So yeah, sort of. Yeah. So like 2 out of, let's see, what is it? 17, 18, 28. 2 out of 28, 114 is like 7%, I think, roughly. Just close to 10%. So almost 10%, almost, of everybody's confidence intervals ended up not catching the real mean. Is everybody with me? Everybody with me? Yeah. Okay. So theoretically, if you make every possible confidence interval, then a 90% confidence interval, then exactly 10% of them will not catch the real mean. And this is, of course, did we make every possible confidence interval? Hell no, right? But still, it should kind of roughly line up. Are you guys understanding what I'm trying to get across here? I hope to God you are. Okay, so I like it. So built into this process is a chance that your confidence interval doesn't do what you hope it does. And that's because stats is the most honest branch of mathematics. It's like, here's an answer, we think it's the answer, you know. Does that mean it's completely not useful? Of course not, right? Of course it's useful. If you know how to interpret it, it's useful. Okay, I like it. I like it. There's one more thing I wanted to say. Oh, I was really curious about, let's see if we can do this together. Let's do the women since there's more women. Can you guys, can you put these into a list in your calculator, the means. Put all the means, including these, in your calculator. I'll do it with you. There it is. I'm curious. You can do this if you want to. If not, it's up to you. That's evil symbol talking about.
We're just doing women, right?
Just the purple. Just the purple.
You're so right.
There's 18 of them, right?
Yep. That's pretty good. That's 7 cents. Yes. You never know. One of us could put it in.
That might be.
What'd you get? How the F did you get? Did you do those ones? You got 80? What'd you get?
Oh, there it is. All right, I agree with you. What'd you get?
79.
All right, guys. What? No, just the purple. I love you guys. If you didn't manage to do that correctly, don't worry. So if you average all the averages, and again, guys, did we do every possible average from that of groups of size 20? No. But if I do this random selection of averages, it should come out close to the real average. And the real average again was 79.47. And when you do this, you get, what'd you guys get for the average? 79.88. Please be a little bit, like, impressed a little bit. Did I control this shit at all? Not really, beyond picking the freaking numbers. But you guys could pick any of those you wanted to. But sure enough, some of you guys went over, some of you guys went under. When you average them all together, it comes out really damn close to the actual mean. Now, if I took, now that's the standard deviation for everybody. Right, I just had Excel just spit that out at me. If I take that, divide by the square root of 20, this is what the standard deviation would be for all samples of 20. Now, if you did this in one of our stats, what did you get for S? I got 2.043.
2.75.
All right, 2 point something. What'd you get?
SX or
2.746.
2.746.
Wait, you got a weird number. I got 2.04.
I got pretty close to the actual 4.
You got 8.
What'd you get?
I was talking about the standard.
Oh,
I got 2.04.
sure what happened.
2.04.
All right, it's close. We should. I double checked mine, so mine are good. All right. But guys, everybody, even girls, guys, organisms. Okay. I want you to realize it starts off at 12.368. If I did every group of 20 and get the standard deviation for all of those, it should be this. We didn't do every group. We did just a few, but it still came out from 12 and went down to 2.0 something. Pretty damn close to what it theoretically should be. I really want you guys to see what's happening. Now again, how many more groups of size 20 could there be? Well, you do, how many? Choose 20. And that would be a lot. So even with just 18 groups, we got really damn close to the theoretical values. Or maybe you guys understand. I don't know. Okay. All right. So that little exercise is over. So if you wanna reorganize yourselves, or if you just want to stay like that, you can. If you can see the board, we're about to. Let's. You want to take a break? No. Yes. Okay. Come back at quarter till.